In a world where reality and myths are intertwined, Aria, a little girl, learns that her typical life is not what it first appears to be. Living in a tiny village hidden down at the base of a mountain, she spends her days taking care of the sheep and hearing the elders' tales of a bygone era. She has no idea that these stories are the key to unlocking her true identity. One remarkable evening, as a meteor shower fills the night sky with light, on Aria's wrist, a weird mark appears. This symbol, which resembles a crescent moon, sets off a series of circumstances that will drastically alter her future. The village's wise elder, Serafina, reveals the shocking truth: Aria is the long-lost princess of the Moon Kingdom, an undiscovered realm in the cosmic skies. As Aria struggles to accept her new persona, a darkness descends upon the land. Eclipsa, with evil intentions, who had been banished by the Moon Queen long ago, returns with a dark plan to engulf both the Moon Kingdom and the earthly realm in eternal darkness. Aria must embrace her dormant moon powers and travel to the Moon Kingdom in order to stop her. Armed with the knowledge of the ancient moon mystics guided by Serafina, enchanted forests are part of Aria's route across starlit plains and into the heart of the celestial realm. During the journey, she makes friends with unusual and magical beings who help her in her mission. Among them are a cunning moon hare named Lumi and a devoted star wolf named Orion. Aria's journey, however, is not without obstacles. She must face her self-doubt and learn to harness the power of the moon that circulates within her veins. She can only expect to combat Eclipse's dark magic by learning to control her abilities. Along the way, Aria learns secret information about her parents' history, the history of the Moon Kingdom, considering the costs associated with leadership. The last fight is approaching. A crucial clash between Aria and Eclipsa will decide the future of both realms. She fights back with the might of her newly discovered pals and the courage that fires deep inside her. She unleashes all of her lunar abilities, the moon's dazzling light, rekindled, illuminating the night. In the end, along with saving her native country, Aria's journey unites the Moon Kingdom with the earthly realm. As she returns to her village, she carries with her the lessons of unity, resilience, and the importance of embracing one's true self. Dear children, this story teaches us that embrace your heritage and wield your unique strengths to illuminate even the darkest of paths.